We're heading over to. First of all, good morning, guys, wherever you're watching from. My name is Martins. Yeah, I'm a first reader. So I just want to do a quick analysis on good. What I'll be expecting on good. Just a quick one, this. Okay, so let's start. I like to start my analysis from weekly. So from all we've been seeing here, we've been bullish. On good, and recently we have this break on that high there. So for me, once I see this kind of break, I anticipate to see price come back low, then print another high. Yeah. So just basically in this high, then we come back to demand area that has imbalance by the side. So from there we anticipate another buy to take out this high. That's just how I trade. So here we've gotten this high or low. If you're unsure where to buy from, just take out your Fibonacci tool. Anything from below here is discount, and we can buy from other side here. If it comes deeper, nice. This place 50% below is where we want to buy from. So now I've seen my range. Now I want to look for my demand. My demand must have imbalance. Yes. So this is my demand. Okay, this sponsored the move up. Now imbalance, right? We have imbalance here. See this gap in between here now, this to this place, from here to this place, it's the imbalance. And see below here the price, after price breaks structure to come back, feel it, but yeah, it did not feel it to this extent, so we just kept doing. Now we've gotten our demand. If we also want to analyze this based on CRT traders, we have seen this candle here, accumulation candle, then this manipulation, then we'll be looking for a trade from here down to this place. So overall I'm bullish on this time on good, but just like I said, we could anticipate a sell. We've gotten the break, which is this area here, so you can anticipate a sell back to demand, then a buy. So CRT here has told us that okay, we can get buys, we can get sales from this area here down. Okay, let's keep on analyzing. Let's see. So on the daily time frame, I like to refine my demand area now. Everything below here has been efficient, meaning that every gap was filled. Look at every gap. There was no gap here except in this place. Price did not fill this area, so I'm going to refine this weekly demand to this, then we're having daily demand zone. Below it we have equal lows. We're having equal lows. Right there, equal lows. And I'm expecting price to come and sweep it, tap into a demand, tap it into this demand, and then move up. So what do we have here now? For us to start selling, I know you're selling on the lower time frame, but for me, I like to see price do something like this, because I'm kind of more of swing. So this is the last high. Okay, no, this is the last high here. Then we have this failure swing. So I want this low here to be broken. I want this low here to be broken so that we can get that change of character we're looking for, and then we can just anticipate something like this from here and move up to the supply and then sell. So if you look, if I should do it now, I've already set my alerts on this area. I set my alert and I'm waiting patiently for it to get triggered. Okay, now if you go to the lower time frame, we could see something. I've been sick for a while, so this trade here, I anticipated the sales, the buy, and this was my demand. Well, I didn't take this trade. I missed on it. I missed out on it. So I've been having losing restrictions. Why? I was trying to take a trade from here based on this. We're supposed to take out this high, so I was trying to take a trade from here. Little did it occur to me that we're gonna change in trend. Like it looks so good to be true. Now look at break of structure. Then this place was not filled, so I was expecting price to buy from here. Now which price did? Price just gave me the same, but it was just all of it was a fake out, get that kind of thing. So I have the trade on my on it now. See, I took a loss there. It gave me about 1-to-1, but it fell. It happens. Losses happens. You get. So what was my mistake on this? Okay, why did I get that trade as a loss? I realized that later. Now watch, we have this failure swing. Before that, let me hide this. Okay, before that, if you look at this trend now, I like to use part 2 a lot to mark out, to be very sure of my trends. Then look at, we have this. Okay, it's high, internal structure, the substructure. So we had this loop before this last high. Now we did some internal structures here. This is our last low. Then when we broke this low, we changed what? We changed what do you call it? Character here to bearish. First mistake. First mistake. Now zooming, if you zoom into lower time frame, now you see that this is a very typical SBL pattern, the one that stacks treats. Okay, so that is inducement for sell, early sellers. So if you look at lower time frame, you see that we have a supply zone above here. Okay, so after we did this, everything here was just like a not very straight. And if you see the part 2, we still observed something: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, last low, now higher high, and we took out that low here. I was just very carried away with this, with the buys, and I didn't just observe. So we changed course here, and what did he do? It came back to supply. When we did this, it came back to supply. Okay, if you go to 1 hour time frame, yeah, it came back to supply. That was that little 1-to-1 I got. Now look at it, that little 1-to-1 I got, and then it fell. So it happens. You just have to find ways. So this is a failure swing. We didn't break above there. Now look, we have imbalance here. Maybe reason why I don't want to take buys, I don't want to take sales yet, because now back to 4 hour. Let's see, this is 1 hour, so back to this place. First of all, we have failure swing here. Price might still choose to come and what, take this place out, because we've not put in a new high here. These are last high. So failure swing, this place is supposed to break this area, but since it did not do it on this leg, it might come and do it on this leg. Okay, normally, ideally, I would love to sell from here. Just have this push up and there, but price does what it wants to do. It might do something like this. Sweeps this high. Okay, it's also looking like a double top, equal high. So I might sweep this high and then crash down below. It happens. So I'm just gonna be out for good, like for now, till I get what I'm looking for, which is the break there. And you see, we have about from here down to our from this area down, we have about 1,991 pips to work on, pip range to work on, which is money. You get swing traders is money. Okay, so that's on good. So I've set my alert on that. Might get that break tomorrow. but it's not going to just happen fast. Market might open here, manipulate the downside, rally up, okay, consolidate here for like Monday, then from here Tuesday might give us the break, then we can start shorting from here down. That's what I expect to happen. Well, like I told you, this is another trading pattern. This is engulfing bar pattern. Now works very well. On the weekly we had what candle reach theory patterns, works too, but I'm not a candle reach theory trader, neither am I an engulfing bar trader. But where I see these trades, sometimes if I want to take them, I take the trades and it works out well. So you can be very, very, like, whatever you see this kind of trade, you take it, you get. So I might take this trade with a bit of confirmation. Yeah, like somewhere here, instead of taking risk entry once and kind of taking it down, I could just wait for some lower time frame trend, then do something like this. Once we break this place now, I'm also from here down to this area. Yeah, so that is how I'm going to take that one trade. Yes. For the candle in theory, I like to mark out this area black, then the manipulation I like to color it red, then I go to lower time frame, and you see same thing, just wait for here to break and then you just do something like this. That's how it is. The idea is to target the low. So whichever way you trade is left for you. Or I am here with not sure, just one drop this so that just one drop if you drop inside. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. Please help share this video to traders that need it, and like, subscribe, support me, and I'm wishing you guys a very good, successful trading week. Yeah, never give up, guys. Never give up. Peace out.